The biggest challenge for me, I'll say right now and in general, the biggest challenge is the psychological mindset, controlling your mindset. Because when you make money, you're so happy. And when you lose money, then you feel like, oh no, what have I got to do? So it's maintaining that balance, that confidence. So the psychological mindset is the biggest challenge. That's why I've noticed with all traders, that psychological mindset, that confidence, maintaining that consistency and that confidence as you're winning and as you're losing. How do you maintain that composure? How do you build that confidence? And as I said before, you build that by reading books and developing the emotional mindset. That's the best way to overcome that challenge. But my present challenge right now, but everything's work in progress. I mentor people. I read as well, as much as I'm teaching people, I read to develop myself, and I have to trade as well, and I have my other commitments. So how do I balance all these things and still trade and deliver confidence to the traders to get them up to a level, maintain consistency in my trading, and at the same time to develop as well and have rest and have a social life as well. So that is very challenging, and this is why it's down to preparation. I decided to change my style of trading completely when I took on extra responsibilities. So I only look at the market 3 times a day by trading the 8-hour time frame or the daily time frame, or once a week trading the weekly. That way I don't need to be in the market too often. I can be in the market once, get out with my eyes closed, set and forget. I can use the time I'll normally use staring at the charts to be reading, or I can be using that time to work with my HTP traders or my FTP traders and developing myself, and more importantly, exercising and getting rest. The first thing I'll say is patience. You have to learn how to be patient, because if you're not a patient person, trading is not for you, because results will not come overnight. Just like going to the gym, in order to build muscle and get a physique, you're going to have to be consistent with your workouts, have the right diet, have the right nutrition, and have a personal trainer. So with trading now, it's the same routine. You need to have a mentor, the right education, the right discipline and mindset, and more importantly, put in the work to get the results you desire. It's very easy. I play video games and I play chess and I play snooker and pool. I keep myself busy because thinking would just give me gray hair, which I don't have. So I play chess, I play pool, I play snooker, and I play video games because that's challenging. Oh, I got to think, how do I get to the next level? Oh, this guy's beating me online. So I keep myself very competitive in the video game world and on other platforms to maintain my stress levels. Sometimes I can go to the gym and do a hit session, or I can do boxing, or I can go for a run. So it's just finding different things to combat the stress where I'm not looking at the money. But as I said before, never get emotional with money and trading. So that's how I control my stress levels. My biggest loss has gone in the 5 figures recently, but the thing is, I got an appetite for big losses, as I said, risk, because over a period of time, I've conditioned my mind to withstand big losses. Because I once started with the hundreds, the 200s, the 300s, the thousands, but as I developed as a trader now, my account size developed as well as my mindset. So right now, I'm challenging myself to deal on the 7-figure bracket. So my losses would definitely be more substantial, but in order to get on that 7-figure bracket, I need to build my emotional intelligence to withstand losses on a 7-figure account. Because without a 7-figure account, not having the right mindset, I'm gonna have over-trading fear, lack of confidence, and every other emotional disaster that can come along the way. So in order to deal with a 7-figure account, the first thing I need to work on is my emotional intelligence, my psychological advantage, and more importantly, slowly building myself up consistently till I get to that level. So that is my next challenge right now. So at the moment, I'm very comfortable taking 5-figure losses. But I can move on to 7-figure, like taking 6-figure losses. So in order to do that, I need to develop myself, and I'm still work in progress, and that's my next target in the next 18 months.